There is a time and a place for everything. The steam locomotive revolutionized both industry and transportation. Today we have high-speed electric trains. Fixed line phones connected millions. Today mobile phones connect billions. The fax machine changed the way we communicate. Today we have email. The electricity grid powers our cities, factories, trains and computers. But even today there are still over 1 billion people living in places where the grid will never reach. Electricity needs to be produced where they live. There is a time and a place for everything. The time for micropower is now.
OMC is a new type of power company. Micropower means small-scale energy with local generation and local distribution, but with large involvement from the local community. And we serve two segments, the consumer and the industry. For industrial users, which are primarily telecom companies, we run a cable from our power plant to their premises, and we sell them kilowatt hours. Now in India alone, there are some 400,000 towers, of which 150,000 don't have access to a reliable grid. The option for telecom operators today is to run expensive and polluting diesel generators at every site. That is the problem which OMC solves.
It is very difficult to expand the grid power to all parts of the country. So there is a good promising space available for OMC Power to set up and operate mini renewable energy stations to fill these gaps effectively.
To the rural communities, we have a slightly different model. We have a sachet-based model, so we package power into products which the rural community can afford. We have, for instance, rechargeable lanterns, which provide illumination at night. We have rechargeable battery boxes, which in a sense are mobile power sockets. Do rural communities want to pay for electricity? Absolutely. They want the conveniences, they want the safety that electricity can provide. This really is a question of shifting the spend from fossil fuels and kerosene to electricity to micropower.
जो डीजल 100 रुपए फूंकता है, उसमें 50 रुपए बिजली में खेत की सिंचाई हो जाएगी, 50% बचत बहुत बड़ी बचत होती है.
The commercial benefit, the commercial feasibility is improved in this model by combining the electricity needs of the community as well as the tower costs together. It's a really impressive model.
Micropower will bring about a very fundamental change. The very fabric of these rural societies is going to be affected. And it's going to be affected in ways which we cannot imagine today. In 3 years' time, micropower will have powered 3,500 telecom towers. Micropower will have provided energy to 2 million homes, which is 10 million people, in over 1,600 towns and villages. There are some 1.4 billion people in the world today who have no access to energy. Now that is the potential of micropower.